What's up, man? It's your boy KD at KDBOC. You know what I'm saying? Finna
Don't. Get up and sit down.
I don't know how to ride.
Pull him in.
Pull them in. No, you gotta put the camera on me. You gotta.
Push them both out now. Stop it. Back up. Back. And then push them out. Push out like that. That's the brakes.
And that's how you swing the what is this called?